Hello, this is Timothy on How TV. Today I want to show you how to register on howtvnews.com and read our VIP or premium posts. Okay? And also if you want to be one of our authors, you can register also, and we will review your registration and assign a role to you. Okay, so first of all you have to go to howtvnews.com. okay, it's already here, howtvnews.com. all right, you will head over to registration. Okay, all right, so I will use this as an example. I will use TI. Okay, this is my user, and I'm going to use this at gmail.com. okay, then my password. Okay, alright, then you accept and register. So here is it. The system is asking for confirmation. We have already sent an email to the email that you provide during your registration. Okay, I will confirm the email and you will see how it's gonna be. Okay, here is the email. Here is my username. This is my slug. Okay, that is this is gonna, anytime that I send any post, if I'm one of the author, anytime that I send a post, this is gonna show on the post as post by. Okay, so I can write something about myself here, and save changes. So here is a social account. Okay, if you want to add your social account, you can add it here. Show email on profile page. RSS feeds enable. Okay, you have to leave it like this. If you want to change your password, you put in your old password, put in your the password that you want to use, and confirm. Okay, so we go to update profile. Let me confirm my email. Okay, when you go to your email, you will see confirmation from How TV News. Okay, here is it. Confirm your email address. Okay, please confirm your email address by clicking the button below. Just click on confirm your email address. Okay, all right. Wow, your email address has been successfully confirmed. Okay, so now it says go back to the home page. All right, then okay, so here is it. Okay, on my mobile phone here. So now let's go back to our screen. Okay, now as you can see, you just refresh here. Email confirmed. Okay, this particular account, I will enable this account as an author. Okay, we are back. I've already made this that particular account as author. Okay, now just accept. All right, allow. All right, so now I've made this particular account, so let me log in to the account. Okay, here is it. Okay, here we go. Now you see, now I can add posts. Okay, you see, here I can add posts. Here's my profile, here's home. Okay, so I can now just add posts. You see, when you click on add posts, you can add article, gallery, video, audio. Okay, this is a order list. So now let me add article. Okay. Wow, an author, you have the right to post. Okay, so this is very simple to do the post. Okay, first of all, as an author, you have to make sure that you have all your story. Okay, your story. Sorry, this is the story that I want to send. Okay, and I have my keywords. This is how to make a keywords. Okay, and you can also use it as a tag. Okay. So this is how TV, there's IG. This particular post talk about IG, okay, IGP, okay, you see. So IGP, that means Inspector General of Police, okay. This is Freetown. It happens in Freetown, okay. So also we have Bo City because classic radio is in Bo City. Okay, so this is how you select your tags, and you can also use it as a keywords when somebody search for anything about Freetown. This particular post will pop up. Okay, so now I have the news that I want to send. I have my tags and keywords. I will use this as keywords. Okay, I will also use it as tags. This is the picture that I want to use for this post. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to send this. Okay, copy, paste it here. I'm using my computer, so I use Ctrl V to paste. Okay, this is a summary and description. Okay, make sure that you copy it from the first paragraph. Okay, it's very important. Copy and paste it here. At least this explains almost everything about this particular news. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is copy. So we put our tag, paste, space, back. Okay, it has to be separated. Okay, so we just click back. Okay, or you can simply, like for example, I want to add another tag, live updates. Okay, then hit comma. You see, so it's very simple for you to add your tag and also your keywords. I will just paste this one as my keywords. Courtesy call on the newly appointed Inspector General of Police, IG. Okay, I'll copy this. I will paste it here. To station managers. I will put it here. Okay, don't press on this, and also don't click on this, because if you click on this post will only show to registered users. Okay, go to picture, select, and go to your, okay, here is it. Alright, upload. Okay, here is it. Click here, select image, bam, you have it. Okay, but looking at this particular picture, I think some of the people that are in this picture, their heads are all cut off. So we'll make a change. Okay, add. What we'll do is that we're gonna edit this picture, crop, bring this one here. Okay, why we are cropping from down to here is that website is cutting out, it will cut from the foot, not from the top side. Okay, so we are going to save it. Okay, this. Alright, so this is the one that we edit. Upload. Okay, here we go. You see? So now everything is showing clearly. And make sure that if I said add post now, you're going to see that it's not going to go because I did not select the category. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to use Sierra Leone. Okay. Alright. And there's no subcategory, so I'll use. So I think everything is okay now. You can send your post, add post, or you can also schedule your post. If you click on schedule, let me just show you this. If you click on schedule post, you will just see the date published. You can select here the day that you want to publish this post. You select maybe if it's tomorrow that you want to post. This is 26, 27. You select on 27 and say add. Okay, when you add this post, by tomorrow around 1, you see the time, you can also change the time. Okay, you change the time, maybe you want it to go around 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So when it's exactly 8 o'clock, this when you say add, the post will automatically post for itself. That is how the system is. So I think I have covered this particular tutorial. When you go to home, you will see that the post that okay, here is it. Wow. Alright, this is the particular post. Okay, here you see the tag that will, alright, here is it. And you can also like, wow, okay, see how the website is. So you can also share on Facebook, share on Twitter, on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Pinterest, so you can also add to read list. Okay, all right. So let's go. Wow, you are kidding. We have 18 viewers right now. You see how powerful the site is? Okay, 21 now. So you see how powerful the site is. So people are viewing the post instantly. It's not even a minute ago that we send this post and people are reading it. Okay? You can also contact us if you want to be one of our author. Okay? Here is our contact. So I hope you find it useful, and please comment, share, also like, subscribe to our channel for more video. Once again, this is Timothy on How TV. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.